Hey everyone, what's up? It's your boy Bibash back with another video, and today we're diving into the exciting world of game and app development. Whether you're just starting out or looking for new resources, this video is packed with tools that are beginner-friendly and, best of all, completely free. We'll be exploring the top 5 free tools that are perfect for beginners who want to bring their game and app ideas to life. So, buckle up and let's get this show on the road. First up, we have Unity. It's used by everyone from indie devs to giant studios behind some of your favorite AAA titles. Why is it so popular? It's incredibly versatile. Whether you're dreaming of creating a retro-style 2D platformer or a sprawling 3D open-world adventure, Unity can handle it. Unity has a free version that's absolutely packed with features. You get access to a ton of tools, a visual scripting system, and a massive library of assets. Unity's asset store is like a giant digital toy box for game developers. Need some awesome 3D models? Check. How about some epic sound effects or music tracks? Got those too. Unity uses C# as its primary programming language, but don't let that scare you away. There are tons of resources available online to help you learn. Unity's interface is super intuitive, so you'll be up and running in no time. So, if you're serious about game development, give Unity a shot. You won't regret it. Next up, Unreal Engine. This engine is known for creating some of the most breathtakingly realistic and visually impressive games out there. It's the engine behind games like Fortnite and Gears of War. Unreal Engine is also completely free to use. It does have a bit of a steeper learning curve compared to Unity, but trust me, it's worth the effort. One of the coolest things about Unreal Engine is its blueprint system. This visual scripting system allows you to create game logic and mechanics without writing a single line of code. If you're a coding enthusiast, Unreal Engine has got you covered too. You can dive deep into C++. Unreal Engine has a vibrant and supportive community, so you'll find tons of tutorials, forums, and resources to help you along the way. So if you're ready to create games that will make people's jaws drop, Unreal Engine is the way to go. Now let's shift gears and dive into the realm of app development with Android Studio. If you're dreaming of creating the next viral app, Android Studio is your ultimate sidekick. It's the official integrated development environment, or IDE, for Android, and it's completely free to use. Android Studio is jam-packed with features and tools specifically designed to help you build amazing Android apps. We're talking about a powerful code editor, intelligent code completion, and a flexible build system. Android Studio uses Kotlin as its primary programming language. Kotlin is known for its concise syntax and modern features, making it easier to write clean and efficient code. Android Studio also comes with a visual layout editor, which allows you to design your app's user interface by dragging and dropping elements. So, if you're serious about building Android apps, Android Studio is your go-to tool. It might take a bit of effort to learn the ropes, but trust me, the rewards are well worth it. What if I told you that you could create awesome games without writing a single line of code? Enter GDevelop. GDevelop is a free and open-source, no-code game development engine. It's like having a digital Lego set for building games, where you can drag, drop, and connect different elements. One of the coolest things about GDevelop is its event-based system. You don't need to write any complex code, you just define the logic in a visual and intuitive way. GDevelop is capable of creating some pretty impressive games. You can build anything from retro-style platformers to puzzle games. GDevelop has a fantastic and supportive community. You'll find tons of tutorials, forums, and even pre-made game templates to get you started. So, if you're eager to dive into game development, but coding isn't your cup of tea, GDevelop is your new best friend. Hold on tight, because we're about to enter the exciting world of three-dimensional modeling with Blender. Blender is so powerful, it's hard to believe it's completely free and open source. Whether you're dreaming of creating stunning three-dimensional characters, realistic environments, or intricate props, Blender is your ultimate creative companion. Blender has a bit of a reputation for having a steep learning curve, but it's worth every ounce of effort. Blender's interface might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but there are tons of fantastic tutorials and resources available online. Blender is not just a three-dimensional modeling tool, it's a complete three-dimensional creation suite. You can model, sculpt, rig, animate, simulate physics, create visual effects, and even edit videos, all within Blender. Blender is constantly evolving and improving thanks to its passionate and dedicated community. New features are added regularly, and there's always something new to learn and explore. So, if you're serious about adding a touch of three-dimensional magic to your games, apps, or any creative project, Blender is an absolute must-have. So, there you have it, the top 5 free tools to start your journey in game and app development: Unity, Unreal Engine, Android Studio, GDevelop, Blender. Remember, the most important step is to just dive in and start creating. Don't be afraid to experiment, make mistakes, and learn from them. The world of game and app development is full of endless possibilities, and with these free tools at your disposal, there's nothing stopping you from bringing your ideas to life. Which of these tools are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments. And if you want detailed tutorials on any of these, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who want to create games or apps. Until next time, keep building and stay awesome.